Wood TV8 Student of the Week is brought to you by MSU Federal Credit Union.
Ready, set!
Good morning, everybody. We made it to Friday. Glad you're here. We are broadcasting live from Muskegon Oakridge High School for our 7th Football Frenzy tailgate. And you're listening to the sounds of the high school's cheerleaders. They have been jamming all morning. But I want to focus your attention on a particular student here who is known to both his peers and his teachers as a silent leader. They say he's quiet but really competitive. Here's how he's using his voice to raise up the players on a new sports team. Landon Prater is a man of few words. He lets his hands do the talking.
Rocket League is basically all I've been playing.
Prater is dedicated to rallying the troops to support Oakridge High School's new esports team. It's the first full year for the program. Teachers wrote grants to fund it.
It's been really fun.
Prater led the charge last year to compete against 67 other schools in Michigan. His team placed 14th in the Rocket League tournament. Was that your first competition?
Yes.
Okay. What was that like for you?
It was exciting. Like the first year of esports, and we're already 14. So we're doing really well.
He was always right there helping them out.
Coach Todd Lowry says the school's esports team continues to expand. He says there's been a 33% increase in student participation since the program debuted last winter. Coach Lowry credits Prater with some of the growth. How has Landon been instrumental in this program's success?
When they come in and see that example that he sets, it kind of sets a stage, and you know, he just leads by example, but he'll never fully know the extent to which he helped this program get started. Although this team only offers Super Smash Brothers and Rocket League, Coach Lowry says he loves the bond they create. Some of these gamers become like brothers. But it's this big brother right here, Coach Lowry says all players can depend on. What is your vision for this program?
Make it an important aspect of the school.
So, of course, both Coach Lowry and Landon are always encouraging more people to get involved in esports. Their goal here is to attract college coaches and recruiters to their program in hopes of helping their students get esports scholarships. And Teresa, this is such a big deal. I don't think we had any scholarships like that when we were coming up in high school, but this has grown in popularity. So this opens up the door for so many more opportunities for people who are undecided with what they want to do after high school.
Absolutely. Lots of new scholarship opportunities in various activities. Thanks, Donovan.